Natural Remedies for Eczema. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, your trusted source for health and treatment tips. Today, we're discussing natural remedies for eczema. Eczema can cause discomfort, dryness, and itching, but there are natural ways to soothe the skin and reduce flare-ups. Let's explore some effective home remedies and lifestyle tips for managing eczema. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a well-known natural moisturizer that can help reduce dryness and irritation. It contains healthy fatty acids and has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the skin. Apply cold-pressed virgin coconut oil to affected areas after bathing to lock in moisture and create a protective barrier on the skin. Number 2. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is celebrated for its soothing and cooling effects on the skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and itching associated with eczema. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected areas and let it dry before rinsing with cool water. This natural remedy can provide immediate relief from irritation. Number 3. Oatmeal baths. An oatmeal bath can calm itching and inflammation due to its soothing properties. Colloidal oatmeal, which is finely ground, works best for baths. Add 1 to 2 cups of colloidal oatmeal to warm bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. This simple soak can help soften the skin and alleviate discomfort. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial and pH balancing properties that can benefit those with eczema. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water, soak a cotton ball or cloth in the solution, and gently apply it to the affected areas. Be cautious and patch test first to ensure there's no sensitivity, as it may sting on open or cracked skin. Number 5. Honey. Honey, especially raw or manuka honey, has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Apply a thin layer of honey to eczema patches and leave it on for 20-30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This natural treatment can help soothe flare-ups and reduce irritation. Number 6. Moisturizing with shea butter. Shea butter is an excellent natural moisturizer rich in vitamins A and E. It's known for its emollient properties that help nourish and protect the skin. Apply shea butter directly to dry or irritated areas to reduce itching and enhance skin hydration. Use it after showers to lock in moisture for better results. Number 7. Probiotic-rich foods. Gut health can influence skin health, and probiotics can support a balanced gut environment. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables in your diet. A healthy gut may help reduce inflammation and improve the body's response to eczema. Number 8. Dietary adjustments. Some people find that certain foods can trigger their eczema flare-ups. Common culprits include dairy, gluten, and processed foods. Try to identify potential triggers through an elimination diet and focus on anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich fish. Managing eczema naturally involves nourishing and protecting the skin, as well as making lifestyle changes that support overall well-being. These remedies can help reduce flare-ups and keep your skin healthier. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Do you have a favorite natural remedy for eczema? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Best Life Channel.